Hey guys, I'm here at SeaWorld Orlando today, and it's a bit on the colder side today. Like, it's like in the 60s, and it's only supposed to get like colder when the park's up until 10 o'clock. So there's a secret for Mako, and only happens on cold days. So we're gonna go take advantage of that as many times as we possibly can. What is that secret? We'll find out later on. Let's go ride. Oh yeah, found our way to Mako. Let's go ride this awesome coaster in the cold. The only row to sit on a hybrid, always in the back. The back row, let's go. So, just had my back row ride. Awesomeness that is Mako. When it's cold. So, when it's cold, guys, the trim brake in the back doesn't hit. So, those airtime hills, you get so much more airtime. It's one of the rarities that happens here. Like, it doesn't happen all the time here in Orlando. I mean, it's forever summer here in Orlando. But occasionally, there are some cold days here. And when it's cold is when you want to come to this park and ride Mako. Like I said, you get so much more airtime in the back when that trim brake is not hitting. But like I said, only on cold days, and the cold day rides here are where it's at. Colder the better, to be honest with you guys. I know everyone says it like runs better when it's hot. It's not true about this one. Seriously, because then the trim brake stops you in the back there. But like when it's cold like this, it doesn't hit. So that airtime is supreme. I mean, always the back row on any hybrid. I mean, you can't ever go wrong with an awesome ride. I mean, Mako's rad in general, but when it's cold, like I said, guys, mark my words, try it and comment below if you have before. Love you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, because you never know what other random roller coaster analysis I might film for you. Maybe I'll film your favorite ride. Love you all. Peace.